Hello, 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 everybody. Oh, maybe you can hear me, maybe you can't. Hopefully you can. For people who are okay, this is just doing wow. You can really see. Well, it doesn't even seem that this is even what is picking this up. I don't know, but it's very hairy. It's got my dog hair all over it. But it doesn't seem to matter what direction it's in. Maybe that's not even working. I'm gonna obsess about this for like 5 minutes while y'all do whatever it is y'all do while you're coming into the show. Yeah, it's not working. It's just not holding its spot. It's very upsetting. It doesn't even matter because it's not even. I think the. Okay, it doesn't matter. I just came from the dentist, so I know I start this show every time being like, oh, I'm discombobulated and I didn't have time to do anything. So just staying on course with that. In fact, I don't even know if anyone's talking to me because I don't have my chat up. So good, nobody is. Fabulous. Yeah, I literally ran in from the dentist. And I am happy to report I got a good report. No cavities. So, huzzah for me. But, you know what's really upsetting about this is that, one, I don't have my cool light on. Yay! I know, thank you, the new Bleak. I gotta put my cool light on. It's pink. I want my pink light. You guys can see. Pink and blue, I guess. That works too. You guys can see the dog crates. That's great. So we're just setting up. We're just, it's just getting set up. Just getting all set up. That's nice. That's a better mood. I don't know where my hair thing is, so it's just going to be a lot of me fixing my hair. So hello everybody. I don't know who's here yet, but I'm always happy to have you. This week, if you guys were paying attention to my Twitter, we're going to do it. I haven't wanted to do it. I don't know why. But I'm going to do it. We're going to do dreambooth. We're going to do dreambooth, and we're going to do something called Dream Artist, which is brand new. Or at least I think it's brand new. Which apparently only needs one image to train on. So I don't even know which one we should try first. Maybe we should try the Dream Artist one? I mean, I don't know. So I'm just going to use some old art of mine. And I don't think it's going to work very well because it's old disco diffusion art that I did. So, and it's very, very stylized. So it might be like too stylized for Dreambooth. I don't know. But if none of you know what I'm talking about, hello, welcome. This is Let's Figure It Out, the show where everything's made up and the points don't matter. Basically, I'll give you the little spiel if you're seeing this for the first time. I am an AI artist. I think people who know me know that I obviously struggle with these tools. People who don't and maybe see people doing AI and it coming out real good and everyone being like, oh my God, it's so amazing. And then people go try it and they are like, why can't I figure this out? I feel stupid. And basically, I'm just here to tell you that you're not stupid. We all spend most of our time banging our heads against the walls trying to figure all this stuff out. And so for your privilege, I do it live for you here so you can see the hot mess that it is. So yeah, I don't know who's here. I guess I know the new Bleak, the new Bellet. The new Belak. That's not how you pronounce that. I'm sure that's not how you pronounce it. Is here because they said hello in the chat. And I do have to say, black. Okay. Black. The new black. I like that. All right. I do have to say that Butts Laugh Out Loud Butts followed me 5 days ago, and I really hope that they show up tonight. Okay, so I think that's it. I mean, I could delve into my life and I don't know, have a conversation with y'all about what's going on and stuff, but we also don't have to. Fix this so that I can slouch and still be seen. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. And again, I had just enough time to make a folder with the images that I have, but I think I'm going to have to remember where I put this tutorial for the thing. I think it was on YouTube. Maybe it's just in my watch, like my history, because I know I watched it. I love going through my YouTube history and just being like, what was I doing? Okay. Did Google's AI just become sentient? Don't know why. I don't even remember watching that. This might be it. Create art, dreambooth tutorial, automatic. Perfect. All right. So am I using Hugging Face AI models? I am not. I am going to use I think the thing that I'm going to follow is using Colab for the dreambooth, which might incorporate Hugging Face in it. I'm looking. I don't know. I don't know. I just picked a random tutorial that we're going to follow together because that's what we do on this show. We follow other people's tutorials. I do a tutorial following other people's tutorials because I don't know what I'm doing yet. That's the whole point. I have no idea what I'm doing. And, you know, you're here for the ride if you so desire to be. So there's so many options out there that it's really hard to pick. I chose this one just because I think it said I could use Google Colab handles it, so I don't need like a high GPU because that was one of the things that I was worried about. Damn, you have to resize them all to 5 by 512 by 512. Well, that's not going to work very well for the images I'm going to use. It is Hugging Face. So it is the new black. The new black. It is Hugging Face. And I'm going to stop showing my face and show the screen. It has been great. Well, I hope this helps. Let's figure it out. I almost just want to do the easy one, the supposed like one step, one go thing. But let's give this a shot for like an hour and then we'll see where we're at. So I'm going to share my screen. And I think I have to. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Share screen. What did we learn last time, guys? That I have to share my Chrome tab. Share. I have to share tab in order for you guys to hear what's going on. So there it is. Huzzah! Okay, so it does look like there's hugging face happening in here. This also goes on to, we're not going to do the second half. I mean, I am, but if you guys have Google Colab and are using like Deforum or something, we can briefly talk about how you would put your checkpoint in there. I use Automatic mainly for my stuff. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so I want to get rid of this ad, and that's really annoying. I don't care. YouTube Premium, something. Go away. I don't need this. Let's just make everything skip trial. Why would I want to? Okay. So I guess we've hit our first roadblock, which is that and I'm not sure if this is now for all Dreambooth, but it seems everything has to be trained 5x12, 5x12. And my images are portraits, portrait size. So this training might be a complete disaster. It probably will be, but I'm just doing it to get a sense of how the tool works. And then, later on, we can all go back and use it on stuff that we actually want to use it on. I just thought this might be interesting. Okay, so let's start. Let's see. What do we need first?
Teach you how to use a free and open source AI, better known as Stable Diffusion and Dreambooth, to create professional-looking digital artworks in seconds. If you're following along with this video, I've left all the relevant links in the description below. Okay. First, we need to get our images. This time around, I've gone for 30 rather than 20. 5. I got 5 shots of my whole body,
also,
and for the other 25, I did a mixture of close-up and mid-shots. In retrospect, I think
of this. You know what? I can't hear it because I don't have my headphones on. Legit, I don't know how to use these. Okay. I think this is how you use them. Is it going to work?
20 images.
Hey, it works. Okay, great. Now I can hear. You guys can totally hear it? Great. I'm glad that you can hear it. Because I couldn't. Let me know if it's like super loud or something. I can hear it now though. I got these headphones on. Okay, so I don't really care about what he has to say.
And I think I would have opted to go for more close-ups rather than mid-shots. I seem to get terrible results with the full body shots as well.
Great, because all the stuff I'm doing is
completely. If you've seen the other 2 videos in the series, you'll know not to cover your face. You'll also know that you want to show a variety of emotions, facing forward, and then
great. So this is all going over of how to do it for like your own face, which I have done before. Hello near this. God, I am so bad with handles. Hello near this. Thank you for coming. So I already did one of my face through STRMR. I don't, guys, if you don't know, if you guys know STRMR, and I did this in a previous show. It's like you have to pay $3 and they basically do a Dreambooth thing for you yourself. And it's really easy and it takes about an hour. So if you're really struggling, and then you just download a checkpoint, and you can't do a lot of you can't do any fine tuning basically. They just kind of do it for yourself. But for stuff like just trying to like make your face or that kind of stuff, I think I'd recommend it. It's easy and like for just fun stuff. But I was really interested in, so I was talking to a friend of mine about how they were like, oh, I have like 200 pieces of my art, and it'd be really cool to create a Dreambooth like a custom model based off of my art, and then to be able to run it through AI. And I was like, that would be cool. Let's see if we can figure out how to do that. So that's what we're doing here. But we're going to watch this tutorial anyway, even though he's using his face. We're just going to skip the face stuff and just go to what you need to do. Ah, thank you. Okay, so it's hell on earth is, hell one art his, or hello near this. It does depend on where you place the space. I went with hello near this, but I love that because then everyone does it differently. Hell on earth is good though. It's kind of where I'm at right now in life. I've been having a rough time. Okay, so yeah, so let's skip where he's talking about his face, because we all like to talk about our own faces, but we don't like to hear other people talk about their faces. I'm going to drop these into this
clever free online software to resize them. I've also left the link.
Okay, so we are going to have to resize. It's going to be a disaster, but we're going to do it because it's not about the outcome. It's just about trying to learn how to do the tool. And now that I know that I need to have things in a square, I will prepare better next time. But I don't have things in a square. Nobody wants to watch me try to make things into a square to fix this. So we're just going to do ourselves. So where did I put the little... This is me staring at my screen, trying to find the folder that I created earlier. Where is it? I think I called it O. There it is. I'm just going to drag and drop it. And apparently, so the thing that I'm doing right now is this. And this is in the, I mean, I guess I'll share this if you guys want to. There's so many freaking YouTube tutorials on how to do this shit. But here is the one that I chose for, just because it was the first one that popped up and I was like, great. Yeah. I do not have a big enough computer to do it locally yet. I don't think, unless it's come down to be able to run on 8. I will send it to me. DM it to me. I'll take it. I could also rent a GPU and do it. But you know, this is not everybody can. So we'll just try to make it as cheap and easy as possible for everyone. Are you seriously just giving it away? Because you can send it to me. I would love that. I'll take it. I'll take your 3090. Ugh, I'm so jealous you got the 4090. I really have to. I really should just upgrade stuff, but I, you know, have to pay for doctor's appointments and shit. Okay, so what was I doing? I'm going to buy it. Okay. Oh my God. DM me. I mean, sell it on like eBay or something, right? Like sell it, like somebody will want it. You could make money off of that. Put it, you know what I would do? This is such a good idea. You should fucking do this. You should run a contest, like an AI art contest. I don't know if you do AI art or not, or if you're into it. I'm guessing you are because you're here. You should do an AI art contest on Twitter, and then like that would be the prize. What a fucking awesome prize that would be, and you'd be helping somebody who, you know, not everyone can afford this. Okay, I win the prize. Great. I'll take it. I won the prize. I'll take it. DM me later. I I love it. I will. Okay, I will take it. I don't quite believe that this is happening yet, so if I'm coming off not as excited as maybe I should be, but for serious, if you're serious, DM me, because I'm gonna get back to this part. Okay, so, and then we'll walk through the local one next time. We'll figure it out together next time. The local dream booth. Okay, but for now, since this is what we, yeah, right. I honestly, okay, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I am an optimist. I believe in the kindness of people, but I'm still a little overwhelmed by the idea that that could be a possibility. Okay, I gotta get, the show must go on though. The new black, the show must go on. Because the people came for this. So the 5 people that are here, I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna move forward. So we're gonna use this thing. So this thing makes your images 5x12, 5x12 automatically. Action. And so that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing right now. If you guys were confused or wondering what I was doing. So I am moving this around my screen. And again, I am looking for the stupid folder. Okay, here we go. So I'm just dragging the folder onto here. Let's see if it does it. I dragged it, but nothing happened. Maybe I have to do one at a time. Oh, you guys can't see me because of this. Okay, so I'm going to share this tab instead. Oh, you guys couldn't see what I was doing. It's a very interesting way that I'm doing. Okay, so you can see now. So I went to the Burmese for the to change by 512 to by 512. Automatically detect focal point. And it's not working. And we've hit our first snag. Fabulous. Let's just refresh the tab. Maybe we'll just browse from our computer instead of dragging and dropping. Maybe I didn't like that. Go to my desktop. Go to the folder I made of the stuff. And we have all of these pictures. So can I'm going to open. That's not doing it. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom. Not a bunch. See, these are going to cut off so badly. Like, this isn't going to work. How are we going to get 512 by 512s where it's going to even see that these things are figures? You know what I'm saying? Which, makes me want to go into Photoshop and do it, but it's already 6:24. What do we do? I don't know. I don't know how to decide. Okay. Well, I mean, I could just do it really quickly. Would it be crazy? Would it be crazy if I did that, guys? Would it be crazy, or should I just let it crop it? Oh, it's kind of showing me how it's going to crop it. It's interesting. I don't know what lists for fast, easy Windows navigation. Windows navigation for what? This is kind of nice that it kind of shows me where it's going to cut it at. Okay, so I guess it's like fine. I mean, at least we'll have the top part of the body. And, if later on at another time, if this semi-works, I can come back and I can make them 5x12s. I can expand them in Photoshop and make them 5x12 so that the full body is in there. Apparently full bodies don't work anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, great. Resize and crop. Let's do it. Why isn't it letting me click? I'm clicking it and it's not happening. I don't care about the history. I don't care about the facts. I don't want to read. Okay, here we go. Save file. Save as a zip. Let's do it. Okay, it's processing. It's processing. Processing. Process. That's pretty fast. Let's save it onto my desktop. Okay, great. We got it. Boom. First step. Done. And I have been told by people that the restream of these. Oh, if you have a folder open, the next time you open a load file. Oh, interesting. I should do that for this show. I'm going to just bring it up because otherwise I'll forget about it. Look at it later. Okay. Okay, so we did it. First step. Burmy, we made them 5x12. Great. Awesome. Awesome for us. Huzzah. Here he is showing how he did it.
If your pictures aren't already squares, and once you've exported your images, it's time to name
Save
them.
it as
now
a
you
zip.
want the file names to be pretty obscure. This is just so the training data won't reference more things than it needs to. For example, if I just put James as my identifier, it would look to see if there are any other Jameses about and would train on them as well.
Okay.
It's a pretty common name, so no doubt it'd mess up my training data quite a bit. So instead, I've gone for PIC JMS. And for Johnny, I've gone for PIC.
Okay.
As a
So we
likelihood
have
of
to
that metadata already
rename
existing
them
is
as
pretty
well.
low. So in theory, I should get better.
And it has to be one name? I don't really want it. Will it do it automatically? Let's try to do this again. Rename. Can I refresh? Can I? Dagnabbit. Okay, let's try again. Open. So let's do its thing. And rename it to. What should the name be? I don't think that. Amli. Fun. Amli fun? That's probably not out there. Could it make space? I don't think it does that. Or this thing doesn't. But yeah, I think if I was going to do this and I had prepared better for the show, which I haven't, but if I did this again, I would probably go through all of these and add space to the sides in like Photoshop. But this, for just the show, we'll do it this way. Probably isn't going to turn out very good, but it doesn't matter. We're just trying to use the tools, right? Just trying to figure out the tools. So, but you're right. And there might be something that kind of does that already, but I don't think so. Space doesn't say anything about space on the side. It says a border, but okay. So we'll do this again. What, my file name pattern can't be recognized? That seems. It's still doing it. So I'm doing it again because of what he was talking about, the file name. Otherwise, I'd have to go in and rename them all manually. And there's only 20, so I guess it wouldn't take that much time. But you guys can't see what I'm doing because I keep forgetting to go to the other tab while I'm using it. This seems to be taking more time than it was last time. So maybe I messed it up. I could just rename them manually. But God dang it. Do you guys ever spend more time trying to do something, trying to figure out how to do something non-manually? I'm sure there's automatically, thank you, than you would have if you had just done it manually. I feel like I do this all the time. All the time I do this. Okay, so we're stopped it and we're going to try again. I know, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to redo it so I don't have to rename all of them. And it's it's taking its sweet time about it. So I was saying it's like making it harder than if I had just if I had just gone in and started renaming them manually, I would have been done by now. I would have been done by now. I would have been done by now. I don't know why this doesn't match a file pattern. Oh, fastone.org file for Windows image play. Features for resizing and renaming. I mean, you could try that. I don't think this is going to work. Just to spend the whole time trying to automate this resizing thing when I could have done it by now just by myself. Why is this not a file pattern that is recognized? What did he do exactly? He just did his... Yeah, well, I don't know. I'm going to try. It looks like I'm getting this error that you guys can't see, but it says file pattern name cannot be recognized. Okay, let's try this other thing that this other person is talking about. Fastone.org. Photo resizer. I have to download it. I don't know if I want to download something. I don't know if I want to do it. I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to... I'm just going to fucking rename them. It doesn't... See, it's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. It's not going to do it. So I'm just going to rename it myself because you know what? There's nothing wrong with a little manual work. I'm going to look at it. I'm going to look at it later list. I'm adding it to the look at later list, which is so long. It's embarrassing. Okay, so now I'm just going to rename this stuff manually. I'm just going to do it. I don't care. He does? He has a collab tutorial? Is it better? I mean, we all love Nerdy Rodent. Where have we gone wrong so far? Does he have a better renaming? Okay, well, I'll go there after this. He has a better renaming tool. I'm renaming it automatic. I'm just got cranky about it, and I'm just doing it automatically. There's 20 of them. I can do it. And that's what we're doing right now. In case anyone is joining us. I am manually renaming because that's what happens when you get cranky. I am a little cranky this week. I am on a benzo-wean. This is my second drop. Weaning off of this horrible, horrible drug. And not gonna lie, it makes you a little cranky. Makes you a little cranky. And I know it's hard to believe and or ponder in your head what Amli cranky looks like, because I am basically just a giant bundle of joy. But it's not fun. This is it. This is me cranky. This is me just stubbornly renaming all of these things myself because the thing didn't work. And I think I just accidentally deleted a couple. And I'm not even showing you because just, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. You're just watching this thing process. I definitely deleted a couple by accident. This is probably going to mess up because I'm not naming it properly. What do I do when it gets to... it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I get to 10. Do I just write 10? I hope so. I hope so. So, sorry that you guys have to sit through this. But you know, this is part of the process. This is part of the process where we lose. Yeah. It's doing it automatically for me. Or it, no, it didn't. I don't know what it did. 14. Does it have to be 1? And now it's jumping them in weird places. I don't know. We're going to see. This could end everything for us. 12, 11. Okay, this is the last one. Oh, I renamed one. I renamed 2 incorrectly. That's why. See? What happens when you do this by yourself? I renamed them Amli Art instead of Amli Fun. I probably could have just named them Amli Art, because how many pictures are of that? But it's okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not a failure. Nobody hates me. My mantra this week. I'm not a failure. Nobody hates me. I'm loved. Okay, I did it. Huzzah! Are we just going to go to this other thing? Go away. Nerdy rodent, huh? All right. I can't click on links for some reason. So this will be, we'll go look. We're going to go look. The new Black says that nerdy rodents is better. We're going to go to nerdy rodent. Can I even copy this? I don't think I can. I don't know what's up with Restream, but it is not friendly. So we are just going to type it. I should just go to their channel. Nerdy rodent, then search their channel for dreambooth. Oh, Google Colab.
Meet Nest Aware, a subscription service that works with all your Nest cameras, speakers, and displays.
It's true.
For just
It's part of the
$6 a
process.
month, you can see and save the
And you guys have to listen to ads.
You're going to be connecting to your free Linux host via Google Colab, then all you need is a web browser. Yes, you can even get away with doing it from your iPad if you want, but I'd probably use a computer anyway, so you can download stuff. If you're going to run it on your local PC, it did give me an out of memory. This doesn't have the acceleration in. It does have the 8-bit.
It's my restream. The thing that I'm using, like I can't click on, if I try to click on the chat, it just shows it. It doesn't give me an option to click on stuff in the actual chat. Don't know why. Okay, so we're going to open up Google Colab, dreambooth. Wait, is this I clicked the right thing here? Ugh, his looks more intense. It's also a month old. How old is this one? This is 7 days ago. I'm going to do the 7 days ago one. But, you know, everybody, Nerdy Rodent is amazing. I just like these steps look easier. I'm going with it. Okay.
So in theory, I should get better training data for taking that precaution.
Yeah.
Once you have all your images, it's time to open up the Google
Colab. Did the Google Colab?
Again, is in the description below. Now, as a precursor to all of this, Google Colab can be a little bit difficult at times. One of the issues you might come up against is it booting you out due to inactivity. To avoid this, just scroll about on the page or occasionally click on the tabs to open and close them. Because if you get booted, you'll have to start all over again.
Crap, this is going to be a problem because I just deleted my Colab. I know. If it's a month old, it's ancient history in AI world. It's crazy. 7 days is kind of crazy. I mean, honestly, Dreambooth might be ancient history during this Dream Artist thing that came out the other day. Okay, so let's just get started. Let's just start all this stuff. Oh, I am not sharing. Great. I'm running my Google Colab. Okay, it's not gonna pop up my thing. I did it so that we're just running. Do. Very exciting. It might boot me out though, because I do not have. You want to know what my I have so many available compute units. I haven't been using it. How do you see where your thing is? In like the forum, you can see right up top which. Did I have to do this? I think I did something wrong. Already. I did something wrong. I hit the wrong button. I don't know what's going on. Okay, hold on. Well, first off, I'm going to save a copy of this so that I don't mess up someone else's work. Okay. Does he go over how to? My thing got cut off. Is this going to do it? Do it.
Google,
Share.
which essentially
Oh my God.
says the notebook is being loaded from GitHub, and that's
Okay.
fine, so click run anyway. It'll ask you to connect your G Drive account, so log in and allow the access.
Yeah, so why
Once the
wasn't it
green tick
working?
appears,
Okay,
it's
okay,
time
okay,
to
that's what
move
I
on
want
to
to
the
do.
next section. Click the little play button.
Okay. So I have to. Oh my God, I'm having such a blank. I'm going to connect my Google Drive, but I want to make sure that it's using my big ticket runtime. Change runtime type. Ha ha ha! Premium. Save. I'm going to have to restart this. Okay, so I'm on this. Delete previous runtime. Okay. I'm going back to the other share tab because I'm going to play this again. Connect to my Google Drive. None of y'all get to see my email address. Okay, now we can come back and look. Oh, it's running. We're doing exactly what he's saying. Okay, I have no idea how long this is going to take to run. But I did delete my Collab subscription. So I don't know if that is going to mean that I'm going to get kicked off before this stuff can be finished. I deleted it because I was like, oh, well, I'm going to play with Midjourney this month. And I have all of these credits that have been bouncing up on Collab, and I was like, well, I'll just switch over to Midjourney since Midjourney is the cool place to be now. And I don't know if I like it that much anyway. Okay, so this is running. That's exciting. Would it be too much to do two things at once? This is running. I don't know how stuff like this. Or you know what? Let's you know what we should do. We should just look forward. We should be prepared. We should look forward to see what we have to do.
Up the environment, and that'll install all the dependencies required to get
Great.
this working. You should see
installing things.
Tick the box to accept their licensing terms. Little play button on setting up the environment. Dependencies and Xformers when it's done. Now you're going to make a Hugging Face account. It's pretty
self-explanatory. Already did that. I have a Hugging Face account.
After you've done that, click on the link below and tick the box to accept their licensing terms. Then go to Settings, Access Tokens, New Token, write the name of the token. It can be any.
Oh, okay. So we can go do that then. Let's go do that. Hugging Face. We're going to Hugging Face. I'm going to access. I'm going to where? I'm going to tokens. I'm going to settings, access tokens. So while this is getting set up, it already set up. Is this going to do this for me? Yeah, I already have it set up. So make sure you accepted the terms. I don't see the terms to accept, but I do accept them. So here it's I popped on this and it's not showing me something to accept. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this token thing. I'm going to go to settings, access tokens. I want to create a new token. This token for dreambooth, generate token, copy token, and then I am going to come back to here, and I'm going to put it in here, I guess. And then I guess all y'all can see it and use it. I don't fucking know how that works. Great.
New token. Write the name of the token.
Did it. Really. Did it. We did it. Oh, I did not change it to read to write. I don't know if that matters. But I should just delete it. I'm going to delete it. Confirm. New token. My dream booth. I'm changing it to retrace. This is what happens when you get ahead of yourself. This is what happens when you get ahead of yourself. Okay, great. Now we got that done. I put it in there. Boom.
Button on the right-hand side of it. Paste the token back
pasted
into the Google Colab doc where it says
did it.
Face token.
Ha.
Run that cell
and I'm going to
well.
run the
Wait
cell.
The tick and move on to the.
I'm going to run the cell. Boom, baby. So what I was thinking was, would it be crazy to try to do this AI other thing, dream artist thing at the same time? Probably would be, but I hate this dead space of just waiting for stuff to get done. Yeah. It's thinking. So this is Dream Artist. Maybe we'll just talk about it. And this apparently only needs one picture. Everyone's an artist, and Rome wasn't built in a day, but your artist dreams can be. This is what this thing says. So this is just a GitHub. And this seems like it's going to be so much more. It's so much harder to figure out. But I want to figure it out. And this is the only time I have to do it. And I'm doing this instead. Oh, it made a tick. Great. Okay. Okay, yes. I'm going to do yes in the new sessions field. I don't have that thing up here. That's not in it. Why is this? I thought I was having an earthquake, but we're not. See, this is 7 days old. And already this is very different. It's different. It doesn't have a new fast method version. Unless I'm missing it. No, downloaded the model. Yeah, it's like a decade. It's only 7 days, and this collab has already been changed. It's different already. So I guess I'm just gonna fucking hope that it doesn't matter. I guess I'm just gonna hope it doesn't matter, because that's what we do here.
Button and wait for the green tick again. Next, you'll see the instance image. If you click the play button, it'll show you a new button called Choose Files. If you click on that, you can select all of your images.
Okay. So I'm just gonna hit play. Yeah, I did that. Okay, I'm gonna do instant images. Wait, did he play it first?
Next, you'll see the instance image. If you click the play button, it'll show you a new button called Choose Files.
Okay, so great. So we're at instant images. Hit this. Apparently, because, okay, choose files. Okay, we're going to whatever it was that I need. Open. I chose 17 files. 17, not a lot. Yeah. Basically. AI time is crazy. Okay, so it's doing that. Great. Fabulous. So far, so good. He's got more images than I do. Okay. That's good to know. It's not going to be a lot of steps because we don't have a lot of images. We have 17 images. So it's going to be 1,700 steps. That is... All right. All right. Okay. You know, you're no nerdy rodent, but I'll go with you. Okay. Okay. So save checkpoints every 500 steps. All this other stuff, you know, I don't know. This is why I want to take a class in this shit. I don't think I want to put a seed. I mean, whatever. We're just... I have no idea. Every minute or so I have to scroll around this page. I got shit I gotta do. I don't think my Google Drive's gonna... Oh, it's so funny how quickly we complain about stuff. Okay, so I don't know if I'm already at 80% in my Google Drive. All right. I mean, we're gonna try, right? And then it's not gonna work, and we'll figure it out later. And we're gonna not remember to come back. Okay, so we're gonna run it. Okay, great. Great. Let's do it. Let's do it and see what happens. Let's come back every couple minutes, every minute or so. Everybody remind me at a minute to come back and click on this thing. Do this so that it thinks I'm still here. Ay, ay, ay. It's training. It's training. Training, 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 training. Okay, well, so it's training. So, God, it's gonna be such a disaster. But you know what's really interesting about this wean is that you'll kind of be going fine, and then you'll just get, and then you'll feel like you're on like a suddenly like you're on a choppy boat in water, like just very dizzy and nauseous. Whew. Okay. Slowest part of fast dreambooth, staring at his file. Yeah. Fast dreambooth. Yeah. I think the hard, okay, so it doesn't matter. So I'm going to get lost in this thing, and then I'm going to forget to go over and hit my button. So everyone, it's been a minute already? It's been a minute? I think I just hit it. Okay, so I hit it. Okay, minute. Give me another minute. Hell on Earth is having to remind Amli when a minute is passed every minute for an hour. Aptly named. Okay, so I don't think Scotty's here today. I don't think the smart Scotty's here today to help with this. He's doing other stuff. Yeah, 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Is that, are you timing down from 60 seconds at this moment, or you're saying 60 minutes, 60 seconds have passed? Maybe we should do it every minute and a half, because I don't think I'm going to get anything done otherwise. Set up and running. Clone this repo. Git clone. See, already I'm lost. Already I don't know what that means. You guys don't see what I'm seeing. I'm going to share this tab. So I'm looking at the stream artist thing. Should we do the dream artist while we're waiting an hour for this stuff to run, or should we do make a stupid little animation? Yeah. Is this real time, or is it like a minute in AI time, or are we talking like a minute in real life time? I don't think I'm going to be able to figure this out. I'm already feel like I'm failing because I don't know what this means. Is this something I have to do? I guess I could Google how to clone a repo. But I also feel like I could just do the thing that I know how to do that or looks easier to do, which is the little dance thing. I don't know. You guys pick. Another minute's passed. You can clone to a new folder. What does that mean? A new GitHub folder? I'm guessing I need to copy this and then I put it somewhere. Like in my, oh, do I do it in my command? Or my control thing? No, it's not control panel. What's it called? Command center. This? Do I do it here? Is that really what I'm supposed to do? You guys can't see because I'm not sharing. Okay. I'm not sharing the right thing. Is this what I'm supposed to do? I think so. I mean, it's doing something. I hope it is. I hope that's what I'm supposed to do. I don't know. Yay. God, I feel really smart right now that I sort of figured that. I sort of knew that's what I was supposed to do. It's really, in a way, alarming that, like, I'm doing this. I don't know. I feel like most of the time when I'm doing this, I'm just like clicking random stuff and just hoping that it works. Okay, are we still? I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. Don't kick me out. I'm here. I promise. I'm doing things. Okay. Okay, cool. Follow instructions. Okay. This is a whole thing. I can't do this right now. Or did I just do it? I'm not changing my Python because I got automatic running up here. Wait, is this something that goes in automatic? Download a stable web UI, for example. Wait a second. I did. Okay, so I have automatic on here already. So did I put it in there? I don't think so. This person, Hell on Earth, is not the best solution, but it will work and you can drag to other places. Yeah, I need it to be there. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? How do I find it? Users? Did I just put it? I just put it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know. Yeah. My C drive. Users. Aha. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. See, but I don't know. I think these are the things that I kind of annoy me about instructions, because it's like, where do I put this in my automatic folder? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So here's my folder, right? But where in this folder would this folder go? I don't know. Oh shit, this is all sorts of shit. This is basically the same thing. Well, now I'm lost. I don't understand. Where? Okay. Do I just put it over this? Some of Brian. What's ACK? What's the ACK premiere? You haven't really missed. Guys, oh God. We almost got kicked off of Alpha Centauri Kid. I don't know what that is, but that sounds really exciting. Was it good? I'm just sitting here staring at my screen having a mental breakdown because I can't figure out what the fuck is this stuff is supposed to do. Am I just supposed to go? I need smart people. Download the stable. Oh, that's cool. I thought you were talking about like a TV show. But that's how out of touch I am with NFT stuff. Very cool. Also very cool. I don't know what any of that means. I'm really out of touch with that scene. Which is crazy because I try to sell on it sometimes, but I had the same problem when I was acting. So I was like, that director? Cool. I don't know who that is. And then people didn't like me. No, not too in touch. People have, you know, you have your passions. People have their passions. There's nothing wrong with that. I've almost given up on the second thing that I was trying to learn because Scotty's not here to tell me what to do, or Coffee. Scotty or Coffee are not here to tell me what to do. And I don't think I can figure it out. But so right now the dream booth is running. I'm just getting Ian up to speed. So right now, Ian, the dream booth is running. It's going to take probably about an hour or so. We're probably not going to see how it did. It was pretty easy to set up. You can rewatch this, or you can watch any YouTube video that shows it. I have a feeling it's not going to do very well, but that's because the main thing that we learned was that you really need to have square images, and I did not have square images. So the way they ended up getting cropped was kind of lame, but that's fine. And then I was going to try to figure out this thing, which is called Dream Artist, which is only 4 days old. And it's supposedly basically like Dream Booth, but it only uses one image. And what I probably should have done before I even looked into this was and of course it's always just like a half-naked anime girl. Of all the things we could use things for, it's got to be a half-naked anime girl. I didn't look to see what the computorial requirements were for this thing. So anyway, but yes, I don't know. I wasn't looking at the chat, so I don't know what a hilarious thing that I said that you're laughing at, but I appreciate it. Yeah. Yes, alt producing anime girl art is bored. No, apparently you can use just one image. Here, let's go down and show the one example that they have of not using an anime. And then it basically can create like a Dream Booth-esque thing with one image instead of like 200 or whatever. So I wanted to try it, but it's complicated. And it's probably not that complicated, but it involves downloading folders, and it doesn't tell you where to put those folders, and it's just stuff that's listed out for people who already have a base knowledge of how to use this crap, which I do not. So I kind of want to bail on it. Unless anyone can step up to the plate and oh my gosh, Ian! They're great. I just want to continually promote them. Oh, Private Streets. Every Thursday, if you guys want to come watch a silly show, they stream every Thursdays at 7. I share their restream with them, and I always forget to change my background. And so people must be so very, very confused when they watch this show. This is what happens when you're not here, Ian. This is what happens when you indulge in your own happiness over mine. No, I'm joking. Awesome. Do it. And I hope it's not too hard to watch, because some people have complained about the rewatching, I would highly suggest to make sure that you're like rewatching on 720 or something like that, because sometimes the text can get blurry. But I'm hoping to fix that by doing a different upload technique. Infinite canvas. No, is that on their UI? Like a dream, what is it? I don't even know what Stable Diffusion's UI is. Let's look at it. Stable. Yeah, watch the one with coffee on it where we actually get shit done. Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh, guys, did we get kicked off? We didn't. Hell on Earth is. Hell on Earth is. Oh, no, wait. Then you know what's really bad is I definitely named something incorrectly on here. I can see it. I can see it coming. One of them was named Amli Run. Which makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. Yes, a minute has passed. A minute has passed. Okay. So let's take a look because fuck it. Is this, what's it called? What's their UI thing called? Oh my gosh. And this. It's not on their UI. Oh, it's a GitHub. Is it this? Yeah. That looks awful. That, I mean, maybe you can do better with it, but that does not make me want to use it at all. That image. There's no cohesion. See, this is what I have had trouble because, let's see, Alpaca has a infinite canvas. Automatic 111 has an alpha canvas in it. These are all canvas. These are all outpainting techniques that are using Stable Diffusion, and none of them have been good in my opinion. Dolly is still the king or queen of outpainting. I don't think anything has been able to. Did it do it? Something went wrong. Something went wrong. My headphones also died. Something went wrong. I have no idea what it is. During handling of the above exception, another exception occurred. Train dream booth. Line 8 in module systems. Well, it broke. It broke, and the only thing I can think of that might have broken it is no, that's all is this. Maybe. You can try again. Can I expand the system error? Let's see. Can I expand it? I honestly don't know. How do you zoom in on a PC? Can I just make this bigger font size? Large, very large. I should probably do this anyway. That didn't change anything. Change this. Okay. I'm not moving. I'm not touching anything. This is why I want just a general knowledge of Python. I don't have time. Does anyone want to control mouse wheel? Get out of town. Ugh, what amazing. Hell on earth is not knowing how to use Windows, but then heaven on earth is having hell on earth is to tell you how to do it. We'll let Ian look at this code. So who wants to start a Python study group on Twitch with me? Install a dependency. Okay, elaborate. It was trying to do that. It couldn't. Why? What was the dependency? What happened? Should I just try again? It's definitely not going to finish before the show. Oh, no. I know. Ian, you're kind of new. Okay, I'm going to scroll up a tiny bit. Keyboard interrupt. Oh, I want to start a study group on Python. I don't know when I would do it other than... You are the second person today to talk to me about Python's awful indenting style. I took a JavaScript class once. I didn't stick with it. I used to do SQL, so I'm not crazy. I do have the ability to code stuff, but I think that must be very different. It's probably different. Oh, so see, you actually know it a little bit better than I am. But everything in this AI world of text to image stuff seems to use Python. So that's why I was thinking of trying to learn how to do it, but I honestly don't know when I would have time. I honestly don't know. Unless every other week this was it was like 10 years ago. But that was my job. I did that as a job for 3 years. I was a SQL coding, did SQL coding for a company. God, insane. It's so insane. So have we decided that we don't know what happened? The only thing that I can think of happened is that one of the files was named incorrectly. It was called an Amli run instead of Amli fun, which I thought was kind of funny, but maybe that's SQL. Where SQL's Is that a joke? Is that a coding joke that I don't understand? Is it because, well, why is it even using Python? Why? That's what the collab is for. So I give up. See, this is what this is. This is what this is, everybody. You think it's easy? It's not. People make stupid YouTube videos and they're like, oh, it's so easy. Just go on and do it. And then it's not. It's not. So that's my soapbox for today. It's my little cranky soapbox. Don't even want to know how to do it anyway. Yeah. Makes your eyes bleed. Water. Tears. Tears. Tears of sadness. Not everybody, you know. Thank you, Ian. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe everybody. I do look at some people like Coffee and Scotty and some people in this space, and I'm just like, I wish I was you. But maybe they also cry a lot. So should I just try it again? Now that I fixed the thing, I really hope it's that. I'm just going to do it. Is that okay? Ian? Do you think that you'll be able to? Okay. I'm just going to try it again. I don't think it's going to change anything. I have to go up and... Where did I do the dreambooth create session? Download model. Yeah. Instances. This is it, right? Instance images. Choose files. And now they all should be named correctly. It's the only thing I can think that might have gotten messed up. I hope it is. I hope it is. I'll let you all know because we're not going to be here by the time this finishes. I want to do something stupid while we wait because I am. I'm doing it. You're not an idiot. We're all idiots together. That's why we're here. But none of us are idiots. Yeah, I'm doing it on collab. I'm not running it locally because it's too big. Dreambooth is too big for my computer. Though maybe not. I don't know. I've been offered a 3090. We'll take it. I am not above charity. I'm not. I'm just not. Dreambooth needs 10. I don't know. Some gigabyte that's bigger than me. A gigabyte. I don't know what that means. RAM. I think it's RAM. My RAM is too small. This was as of a couple weeks ago, though, so I don't know if it's been... I remember watching it like go from like 24 to like 16 to like 12 to 10 or something, but it never quite got down to 8, I think was where I'm at. But maybe it is. Maybe it is now because it's been going crazy. And if it is, Well, maybe we'll try again locally when I have a bigger GPU. But we're also just going to start. Oh, you know what it also could be? Fun fact. I could just be out of space in my Google Drive. That could very much be what's going on. Google Drive. Can I share this now? No, it doesn't say it's out. I still got stuff. So 85% full though. Another one? I need a 3090. I'm at a 2070. Though honestly, who was it? I thought it was Helen, or it's not. Who did they leave? Oh, the new black. The new black also. Everyone send me their 3090s. Everybody send me their 3090s. The new black was like, I'll send you my 3090. And I said that they should hold an AI art contest to see who could get it. And they're like, no, I'll just send it to them. But I'm actually, are you still here, the new black? I don't know if they are. I told them to DM me because I don't know who they are on Twitter. I don't know who they are. Ian, and I don't know if they were being serious. But if you have a 3090 lying around and you want to send it to me, again, I am open to charity. People can send me all their 3090s. I will take them. And then we could do a stream about it. DM me. Everybody DM me. Everyone DM me about their 3090. But while we're waiting for this to break again, let's do something fun. I want to do something fun. I'm going to do it. Bookmarks. No. Profile. I want to do this. I don't care about this other stuff. I want to do this. So this person, look, they made a little dancing. I can't escape. Yeah, sure. DM me about it. DM me. That sounds great. I don't. That all is half of that. What the words that you used, I don't understand. But I mean, I do. I know what a VPN is. I don't know how it works, but I've heard it before, and I also know ML. I've heard that before. That's amazing. This is why the community is amazing, by the way. And Ian is one of the more amazing people in this community. Go follow him, love him, be his friend. Okay. So I have 30 minutes and this is gonna crash again. And the other thing I wanted to do doesn't work. And I'm weaning off of benzo and I feel like I'm going crazy. So I'm going to do something stupid that I think I can actually figure out how to do. This guy made a little animation Look, he made it dance at the end. So that's what I'm going to do. So all we need to do is make a character in a T pose. And I can do that. I can make a character in a T pose. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to make a little dancing character and I'm going to feel better about myself. And you all can watch me do it. So, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it in 30 minutes. I'm going to freaking do it in 30 minutes and nobody can stop me. Nobody freaking stop me. I want to make someone, I want to make a stupid little thing. I want to make a dance. I just want to feel accomplishment. Drink some water and I just want it to be next week. I did go to the dentist today though, and I didn't have any cavities, so that was pretty exciting. I wonder if I should make a T-pose in Disco Diffusion. I mean, in Daz. Let's do it. Fuck it. Let's fucking do it. Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy right freaking now. Oh, this is what we should have been doing since the beginning, and I only have 24 minutes to get it done. This actually might not work because... Oh, no, because I'm locally. Okay. Great. It's available for download. I don't want to download it. Yeah, it's gonna be, oh my god, you have no idea. It's gonna just, things are gonna go freaking crazy. All right, things are, oh, let's do a bet. Oh wait, I can't, I'm gonna have to, you guys, I can't show it because it's gonna make a naked one of her first. I have to put some clothes on her. This actually might not work because, and while we're doing it, let's go ahead and open stable. Everything is so big now that I made it big, but maybe this will help people read it. Okay, so I need to change, I need to put clothes on her. What am I gonna do? You guys can't see me. I have something off stage right now because if you have a naked thing on a screen on Twitch, they don't like you. They don't like you. Is this the T? This isn't really. This is a T pose. Okay, great. So, perfect. I'm gonna render this. This is all we need. How do I do this again? Rendering. Hopefully it only takes a second because it's just a little thing. Look, I'm making a little dude, making a little thing that's in a T pose. And I'm gonna run this through Stable Diffusion. I'm gonna make a little cartoon, and then I'm gonna take this little cartoon, I'm gonna put in this little thing that we found that's gonna make the cartoon dance. So you know what? That's right. Is it finished? Okay. Yeah. We've taken a sharp turn. This is always what happens. I don't want to put this in Nerf test. God. Back when I was trying to... I just put it on my desktop, please. No, I don't need to select a folder. That one. This is always what happens. I'm trying to learn new stuff. I get frustrated and I quit, and then I'm like, I do something fun instead. So that is that. Okay, image to image. I am going to open this little dude up. Let's make her bigger. And Daz is free-ish. So Daz is free to use, and you get like a base character. You get like a base form. Like this isn't a base form, and like some very like base stuff. And then it's like pay per extra stuff that you want to add on to it. So, and it's not, so Blender is great for like making little character, like sculpting and creating characters like this, and then animating and stuff like that. Daz is like, it's like more of the equivalent of like when you build a character from like in a video game. So basically like I bought this little suit, right? Like I used to spend so much money on Daz because I just loved building characters. And then it's kind of like being a photographer, right? So then you get a lot of things with Daz is like you get lighting and all this kind of stuff, and then you can set up the lighting and like change the colors and backgrounds and HDRs and all this kind of stuff, and then basically take like digital pictures with the models that you create by spending too much money on morphs and skin colors and wardrobe and sets and props and that kind of stuff. But if you know how to use Blender, you can just make it all yourself for free. But I was really, yes, great. I explained it. Object or, yes, I can, they are DUF files. So I think you can also do, I think they're called object files or, yeah, you'll spend a lot of money. I ended up spending a lot of money on it a long time ago. I mean, I haven't used it in probably about a year. So probably my first time I used it in a year, but I used to be really into it. Got a lot of shit on here. Look at all this shit. But I really liked building little characters. It was fun. Okay, so I'm definitely not going to finish this. Yeah, lots. I mean, it's a pretty basic business model, right? It's like the same as like if you start playing a game, like an app, you know, a game app, like any of those, and then like Candy Crush, you know, you play that for a few minutes and you get hooked, and then they're like, oh, if you pay money, we won't have ads, and oh, if you pay money, you'll get this cooler candies that, you know, this is basically the same fucking setup. Okay, little cartoon character of a, should I just use what he used? What did he use? I can't read it. Oh, I'm like trying to click on it as if I can. T-pose. Oh my God, I'm clicking on this as if it's my screen, and it's not. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What was I doing? Where is my stable diffusion? It's not really, I mean, I could probably just use her, but I want it to be. What do I want the little character to be? Cute anthropomorphic creature. It's not how you spell anthropomorphic creature. T-pose. Child. No, drawing. Character sketch. What else happens to I have it at 75. This is not going to work. I just sort of forgot that all of you were here. Literally just... I was just, you got a little insight into, oh, look, it's a weird little fleshy blob person. I should probably put like, yeah. God damn. Oh my gosh. I forgot. Oh, good. It didn't kick me off. And it's still working. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, wearing a pantsuit by and everyone's always like perfect on a guy. Put it on black too. Can I do it on white background? Or because it's a ping, maybe it's making it. Oh, I kind of want to just do this. Oh, am I also on like really low? Could be. White background. Yeah. What a nightmare. We didn't figure it out. Sometimes we figure it out and it's great. Sometimes we don't, and that's what happens. Interesting. That's kind of fun. Doesn't really get the T-pose, right? Aha, this is what was going on. I'll let this run again. It's weird that that's cute. Yeah. That's because I have completely we're just waiting for the dream booth to run, and while we're waiting for it, I'm trying to make a little animated character. Which I forget how I sketch meta demo lab. You upload a little picture and it makes it dance. And so I just want to upload a little picture and I want to make it dance. Perfect. What a cute little picture this is. Let's do it. So cute. Great. Let's try and see what happens. Upload photo. I see these are all my bad cuts. This is what the dream booth is running on. Next. I would love to help your research. Agree. Okay, that seems to be, we found the character. This seems to separating the character. We've separated the character from the background and highlighted it. If body parts of your highlighted character are not highlighted, use the pen tool or the erase tool to highlight. Well, it did a terrible job. And it's not letting me. Aha. did a very bad job of I don't want to have to do this for you. You should be doing this for me. Very bad job of picking out this character. All right, well, everyone just wait with me as I do this, I guess. Oh my God. Reset. No. This isn't how this works. You got to read this character better. No. I resist. Have you used this before? Hell on Earth is? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to have to do this manually with my mouse. And I've only got 9 minutes. So it's going to be a bit of a crapshoot. I know, I have 9 minutes. I only have 9 minutes for this. Shit. And I have to go back here and I have to click something. Did it do it? It did it! Guys, it did it! How do I test it? I can't hear because I don't have my headphones on. Oh no, I just have to put CC on. We're gonna have to. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. What is happening? Oh, we have 9 minutes and we have now gone back in time to try to. When you should have the dot checked. I don't know. I want to test it. How do I test it? Tell me how to test it. Once you get this little green text line, you should have the dot checked in your drive. So go over. It'll be faster in Booth. And if your session name folder, you can now download this file. Okay. Get dropped. So scroll down. Game over. Text line. You should have the dot checkpoint in your G drive. So navigate over to it, and it'll be faster in dreambooth in your session name folder. You can even download this file to use with an automatic 1111. Well, do I? Do I just train this? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Did he say where it was in my folder? My drive, fast dream booth. Okay, let's do it. Where is my, do I have it open? You do. My drive. Fast dream booth. Sessions. Your dream booth. Where's my checkpoint? There it is. It's going to take way too long to download. Putting it into my models folder. It's going to take too long. It's going to take too long. It's going to take 9 minutes. Fast. Okay, but it did it. Was that how much it was? Or is it even? Yeah, 4 gigabytes. So many gigabytes. Let's go back to our animated drawing. And now we have so much less time. Oh my God. This is awful doing this with a freaking, I mean, this is going to turn out awful. This is just gonna, trying to do this with a mouse is like so painful. Why don't you read better? Why don't you read this better? I almost feel like I want to. Oh my God. Da, 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 da. Well, this isn't as fun as I thought it was going to be. Isn't that funny? Gosh, I'm cranky today. So cranky today, y'all. It is pretty crazy. I'm actually not even as cranky as I was yesterday. Yesterday was insane. No, it has to be perfect. It has to be perfect. People are watching. Oh my God. There's like, I legit, it's doing something weird too. You want me to do this slightly larger. This is very difficult. Okay, well, you know, great. Maybe it being kind of stupid will be fun. I don't know. I don't know. Great. Next. Head center. That's about the head center. Right ear, left ear, eye. I think the eye is lower. For the eyes, what is this? Left shoulder. I guess the shoulder is higher. This is hip. I mean, I don't know what you describe as a hip. I mean, anatomy is quite, people have different ideas of where anatomy is. You guys are talking about money. I don't know what that means. This is, I mean, this is the heel, not the ankle. So I guess that's the knee, but I would put the knee more in the center of something. That's the wrist. I'll give that the wrist. Great, 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 great. And it's going to dance ugly because it's going to have so many. Oh, look at it go. I don't even care that it's ugly. Look at it go. There it is. It's doing stuff. Okay. Okay. This makes me want to make a better one. This makes me want to make one that's going to get read by the mask thing. Okay, so, you know, you can go do this yourself and make a better little mask. The bottom middle one. He looks very sad in that one. He's not doing a lot. Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. What a gem. What a way to end. Look at him dance. Oh, there's so many. It's just him walking through, like just hanging out. Just walking by. The leg situation on this one is a little messed up, but that's fine. So yeah, there you go. You can go make your own little guys. Yeah, droopy leg syndrome. Oh gosh, is this gonna do it in time? I don't know what's happening here. Am I supposed to type something, or didn't really go over what this test the trained model is, and I just downloaded it and I didn't test it, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go over by 3 minutes. That's what's gonna happen. I don't know. I have no freaking idea what Hugging Face is. I don't know what any of this stuff is. That's why I want to learn. That's why I want someone that's... I did put a post up yesterday where I was like, so... And I do love the community and I shouldn't complain, but I was like, so, you know, if somebody with a degree in theater wanted to learn AI engineering, where might they start? And I feel like I got a lot of snarky answers, but I also don't know, because I'm in such a snarky mood that maybe I was just reading them snarkily. I think all of these guys are just too skinny. Like her body is too skinny. I feel like read it less. I don't know. Make it fatter. What was I saying? Oh, but so many people were no one had a really good answer, except for just learn Python code. So I was like, yeah, those were the smartest answers that I got. And I will give this to the community that I really appreciated that they didn't get like not my snarky, but the way in my head that I was phrasing this question, and I will repeat the question. The way in my head that I was phrasing this question was, so how would somebody with a theater degree, like, haha, as in stupid, you know, I got a degree in theater. 1 + 1 = maybe 2, you know, with my math education. Where would somebody like that start to learn like basic AI engineering? And I will give it to the community that a lot of the people read it as, how would somebody with a theater degree use AI? Like, they weren't downing on my theater. Like, I was saying it in a way of being like, explain it to a 5-year-old, because people with theater degrees have a 5-year-old education base in this field. But a lot of people didn't read it that way. And I was like, good on you, even though I know nothing. You do have to explain it to me like a 5-year-old. And I am okay with that. $75,000 later, need to be explained as a 5-year-old. Okay, my checkpoint went up, so I'm going to just do a really quick test, and then we're going to stop. We're going to stop. Let me see. The arts is cool. I dropped out of my visual arts degree, and I just started making stuff. Honestly, I highly recommend to everybody I talk to who wants to go to get an arts degree to not do it and to just go into the world and learn on your own. Large chunk of a waste of money. And in acting, a large chunk of a waste of your prime acting your time to go out and be doing stuff. But that's fine. I got a degree in let me rephrase. It wasn't I should even say this. It's not even theater, it was in acting. So even very loose with very, very loose even art theater history with that degree. It's useless, but that's fine. No, I'm going to do this. I have to do this, though. We have to do this. We got stuff to do. We have to do this. I mean, it wasn't useless because I met my current beau, and he is a lovely man. And if I hadn't gone, I had to basically spend $75 to find the love of my life, which worth it. But okay, so we're going to try this model. That's gonna be bad, but it's fine. Yes, it does take a measure of competency to survive college. And yes, I am, if anything, well-trained in how to put on a good face. This one. I put it on. Poof. Magic. Magic. Okay. Yeah, I know. They really are. They're just a giant waste of money. People shouldn't go to college. I know. I put on a really good face. I do. I mean, I could be a great host. I tell this to AIIA, which for some reason I am a member of all the time. And they're all doing amazing stuff. And they run all these amazing things. And they're always, asking what people can do. And I'm like, I could host it. I could host it. I could be the host. I could be the face. I can do that. I am in the US, already paid most of it. So didn't help me when that debt relief stuff happened. And the debt relief is only wouldn't have mattered anyway. It's only for federal grants. And mine were not federal. They were from a state run. It's not federal. I don't know what it's called. Something else. So it doesn't affect everybody. And I was not affected by it. So still got to pay. Only got $4,000 left though. So yeah. Yeah, that's life. But we did it. Okay. So we put the checkpoint into the, I have been doing a terrible, I really shouldn't have even streamed this week. I've done a really bad job of telling you all what I was doing for people in the future. But I saved the checkpoint from my drive to my stable diffusion, to my automatic 111's model folder, right? So if you're using automatic 111, you would put it in there. And if you're using Collab Deform, you would put it in your Deform models folder. So I did that and I restarted it. And so I'm going to, it doesn't seem to be here. Oh, let's refresh. New Zealand offers free loans to students to get them into being an adult. I mean, at least it's free. Like, it's just, here it is. Amli Art Dream Booth. So let's do a creature. In the desert by, I can never pronounce his name right. Bakinski, or spell his right name. Bakinski. Let's see what happens when it uses my, oh, but I have to, I think I'm running over. I'm running way over, but it's okay. Everyone's talking, just having a fun time talking about student loans. I think I have to use, well, let's see. I'm not the token name, which, okay, you're just going to stop. You're going to stop. I did a session name. So I don't know what the token name is. I think, well, let's just make it, let's not use a token name, and then let's do it again, and let's use Amli Fun Creature. Let's see if that's the token name. Okay, so that was it without it. Okay, I mean, look, it kind of did it. It kind of did it. It has the image is centered. So if we look at the images, right? They're all like large primary colors with a centered creature, right? I mean, it got cut off. I might do this again. Widen these out to 5 by 12 by 5 by 12 so that the creatures aren't getting cut off. And mess around with it. But it did a pretty good job. Look at that. That's kind of like my style. And I don't have to do anything, and I kind of can just keep it. I mean, it still looks very I'm pretty happy with this, actually. Yeah, fuck yeah. I'm going to retrain this with a full thing. Did you make a... How? Scotty pops in at the very end and makes a freaking... Scotty! Where were you before? I can't play it. Because I can't click things in my restream. So send it to me in my DM. I don't know what you did. Did you do image to music? I know you've been doing crazy stuff with the theater people, or with, I don't know, you were just talking really slowly a little bit with me about one of your projects, which sounded really cool. But yeah, I'm actually pretty pumped about this. I'm going to do this again. I am going to widen. I'm going to actually take the time to widen those to 5 by 12, 5 by 12. So the full creatures in there. And then I'm going to retrain this model on those, on my own artwork again. And I'm that's really cool. It makes it super easy to make similar artworks to that. So, you know, for artists out there, I know it's very much my OG work. It's like very much my OG work. Back in the Disco Deform days. I still can't. Yeah. Hell on earth is. Okay, well, you know, we did it, and I hope any artists who end up watching this kind of come up with the same ideas as I have. You have, and I think the more that you have, you know, if you have 50 works, you can send it through this Deform thing. You don't have to pay for it. You can do it all online through Google Colab. And you can basically be able to make recreations of your work over and over and over again with different styles. It's pretty cool. DD was enticing. What's DD? You mean DB, Dreambooth? Disco Diffusion. All of Disco Diffusion is in collab. I mean, it was pre-stable, right? It was pre-Dolly. It was pre-Midjourney. It was pre all of those. Everyone was using that. And it's very surreal and has a very like specific look. You know, it's basically this. These are them, you know, all my original stuff. It's very Disco Diffusion-y. Just like, you know, it's so crazy to look at it now because it's just so blobberous. Just like I remember looking at these images and just being like, oh, it looks so real. And now it doesn't. But yeah. I hope people got ideas. Yay. It was great having you here. Ian, thank you so much. Scotty, great to have you pop in. I know you're super busy. When you're not busy again, we should talk because there was something that I wanted to figure out and I couldn't. And you should come on and help us figure out the new Dream Artist, which is basically Dreambooth, but with one image. Okay, well, we're 20 minutes over. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I do. As well, we'll find out. If it's not, Ian has also offered a VPN version, so I'm getting 3090s through the hoop, through the whatever. I would love it. I'll take all of them. I would love to be completely local. Yeah, we will. Yeah, DM me. I'm not much on Twitter this week because I am going through this withdrawal, so I'm surprised I made it this far without crying. 2 hours is pretty good. So if I don't get back to you right away, I am not ignoring you. I will. I am just not checking. I am just taking a bit of a Twitter break while my emotional health is a little rocky with this withdrawal. So, love it. Fabulous. We can be off together. Humans being human. Exactamundo. You people are my people. I love you. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to go. I hope people were inspired or will be when they see this later. All right. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great night. I'll see you later.